sklearn pipeline feature union. Description feature union is a transformer in scikit-learn that allows you to combine multiple feature extraction mechanisms into a single pipeline. It essentially takes the output of different transformers and concatenates them into a single feature vector. This is especially useful when you have different types of data that need to be processed differently before being fed into a machine learning model. Inputs. Input 1. The input data can be a pandas data frame or a NumPy array. It can be any data type that the transformers within the feature union can handle. Input 2. Feature union doesn't have a second input. It takes a single input, the dataset, and processes it through multiple transformers. Outputs. Output 1. A transformed feature matrix NumPy array. The shape of the output will depend on the individual transformers used and how they transform pay. Input data. Steps. Step 1. The first step involves defining the transformers you want to use. Each transformer should be a scikit-learn transformer object that can take the input data and transform it into a new representation. You can define multiple transformers within the feature union. Step 2. The second step is to instantiate the feature union object and provide the list of transformers you defined. Metrics. Metric 1. The metrics used to evaluate the performance of the model after feature union is used are not directly related to feature union itself. Feature union is a pre-processing step. You would evaluate the performance of your model, e.g., using accuracy, precision, recall. F1 score after feature union is used to transform the data. Visualization plots. Visualization plot 1. Visualization plots would be related to the data transformed by feature union. You might use plots like histograms or scatter plots to visualize the distribution of the combined features to understand how feature union impacts the data. Fine-tune parameters. Parameter 1. N jobs, the number of jobs to run in parallel. This can speed up processing by utilizing multiple CPU cores. Parameter 2. Transformer weights allows you to assign weights to the output of each transformer within feature union. This can be useful if you want to give more importance to specific features generated by certain transformers. Uncertainty methods. Uncertainty method 1. Uncertainty methods, like confidence intervals or Bayesian methods, are often applied after a model is trained. While feature union is a pre-processing step, it can impact the uncertainty of the model's predictions by providing a richer feature space. Challenges and fixes. Challenge 1. Overfitting. If the transformers within feature union generate a large number of features, it can lead to overfitting if the model is not regularized properly. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 1. Using transformers like polynomial features or interactions that generate a large number of features without appropriate regularization can lead to overfitting. Fixes to challenge 1. Use regularization techniques like L1 or L2 regularization to penalize complex models. Use cross-validation to find the optimal hyperparameters for regularization. And consider feature selection methods to reduce the number of features generated by feature union. Challenge 2. Dimensionality issues. Combining features from multiple transformers can lead to a high-dimensional feature space, which might cause problems for some machine learning algorithms. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 2. Combining data from text features, e.g., using TF-IDF and numerical features, e.g., using standard scaling, can lead to a very high-dimensional feature space. Fixes to challenge 2. Use dimensionality reduction techniques like PCA or TSNE to reduce the dimensionality of the feature space. Select a machine learning algorithm that is robust to high-dimensional data, e.g., Random forests. Support vector machines with linear kernels. And consider using feature selection methods to select a smaller subset of informative features.